Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'm going to give you 6 things that you should do with your tax return this year. And the first one is that you should stop getting one. My name is Paris Clough, and this is Financial Self-Reliance. On this channel, we talk about the mindsets and the skill sets of the wealthy and teach you how to manage, protect, and grow your assets. If that sounds like the kind of channel and the kind of community you want to be a part of, go ahead and click like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of the videos that I produce. All right, like I said before, the first thing that you want to do is get rid of your tax return. Stop getting money back. Do you know what a tax return is? It's you getting your money back that you overpaid during the year. That's like going to the grocery store and saying, I'd like to pay a little extra today so that in a month or two, or at the end of the year, you can give me back all the money that I spent extra. You wouldn't do that at the grocery store. Why are you doing that with Uncle Sam? What's happening is they're giving you back all the money you overpaid because you filled out your Form W-4 incorrectly, and they're taking out way too much from your paychecks, and because you don't have enough money in your paychecks, you're living paycheck to paycheck, and you're not getting ahead. Stop getting a refund. If you're getting more than a couple $1,000s, absolutely go back, talk to your HR department, get your W-4 form filled out properly, and get that tax return down to a reasonable amount. All right, now I really want you to pay attention to the second thing that I want you to do with your tax return. I want you to take some money and I want you to sign up for my free 30-day challenge. Did you see what I did there? In the 30-day challenge, I'm literally going to share with you how to increase your cash flow over the next 30 days. And one of those things we're going to do is help you fill out your Form W-4 correctly. So make sure that you click the link in the description below or go to financialselfreliance.net and sign up for the free 30-day challenge. It's worth it, and I promise you're going to be able to increase your cash flow over the next 30 days if you take that course. Okay, so the third thing that you should do with your tax return this year is pay off any high interest consumer debt like credit cards or other types of debt that you have that you just absolutely need to get rid of. Get rid of that debt as quickly as possible. All right, the fourth thing that you should do with your tax return this year is start or finish filling up your emergency fund. That's right, you should have 3 to 6 months of your fixed expenses in an emergency fund in case anything happens. I also like to call it an opportunity fund. So let's say you have enough money saved up to pay your bills in case you lose your job or something else comes up. Let's say that your car breaks down. You need to have money set aside to be able to pay for those things right away. But what if an opportunity came your way? What if you had an opportunity to go somewhere, do something, or invest in something, and you had no money to do that? That's why having an opportunity fund is also really critical. When you have money set aside, when you have enough money to handle any situation, there's just a peace of mind that comes. So if you're going to do anything, use your tax return to bring you an emergency fund, an opportunity fund, or what some call a peace of mind fund, which I highly agree with. There are too many people that I know that will take their tax return every year and they'll go and spend it on frivolous things. They'll continue their bad habits of spending money only to realize that they probably should have used that money to pay off debts, get themselves in a more stable financial situation, and develop habits that will serve them and help them in the future than continue these bad habits that have gotten them into bad places financially in the past. All right, so the fifth thing that you should do with your tax return this year is begin to invest in your future. If you've paid off your debts, you've established an emergency fund, begin to invest in your future. Begin to invest in a business or a side hustle. Take some money and put it into the market. Take some money and do something that you feel good about, something that you feel confident about so that your money can grow for you. Your money should be a seed, and when you plant that seed, it should grow into a tree that should bear fruit for you. Make sure that you're doing things with your money that are wise and that will grow long term. All right, the sixth thing is related to the fifth thing. The sixth thing you should do with your tax return is take $100 and open a Webull account. If you open a Webull account with a link in the description below, you're going to be able to have the opportunity to get 2 free stocks once you fund that account with $100. Now those stocks can be worth up to $1,850. There's no potential return on your money that I know of that's better than that. Even a $10 or $20 free stock would be an incredible return on your money. Now I've left links to other videos that I've created around these topics in the description below and in the cards above. So make sure you take the time to watch some of those videos where I do a little deeper dive into each one of those 6 things. I hope that you do something wise with your tax return this year. I hope you got a lot out of this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.